This green button here is to access your intelligent safety features, and you are able to configure individual. So you can change your frontal collision mitigation from early to late if you like, lane departure warning as well from early to reduced, and the steering intervention can be turned on or off, and blind spot can also be changed from early to late. And once you pick what you like, then it switches over to individual. By default, all features are on. If you wish to turn them all off, you press and hold the button. To turn them back on, you press the button. Or if one of your features is off, such as your lane departure, turn it to an orange light instead of green.